Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mishi Wang, and if you're new here then welcome, join the family, click the subscribe button down below. Alright, so guys, today I'll be showing you how I did these knotless jumbo braids on my hair. Alright, so to start off the style, I did a small cane row, cornrow at the front of my hair, and that is what I'm doing right now. So I use the expression braids to do this style. It's the 50-inch expression braids, as I had shown you at the beginning of the video. So I take just a very fine piece of the braid because I don't want it to be big. I want it to be very small, and I start the braiding off the hair at the front there. Alright, so guys, I was trying to show you at the beginning of the video how many braids I had in my hair. It's 13 braids, and as you can see, I'm not in my usual place where I'm usually doing my videos because it was out of the moment. I decided I want to do some braids on my hair, and so I just went and turned the camera on. So pardon me if the video is a little bit too dark, and at some points you're not able to see well what I'm doing. I'm gonna try as best as I can to explain every step as I go. When I did the first two braids off camera just to start and in the interest of time, so right here I am doing the second row. I add my edge control, and I use the Ocean edge control to the hair. I get it even by combing it out with my comb, combing it all the way through to get the hair even, because that will help you to get the braids done properly and neatly. Alright guys, so make sure you comb out your hair properly with your comb, and then I just start the braiding. So I start the plait first, and then I add hair as I go along. It really depends on the size that you want for the braids to be, that's how you would add hair as you go along. So I did all those braids, and I'm now at the front of my hair, and I hope that here you can see better what I'm doing. Alright, so I am on to the last two braids, and again I am adding my edge control. I'm gonna comb through the hair, and then I'm gonna just start the braiding process. Alright guys, so as I said, you add hair as you go along depending on how big you want the braid to be. So if you want it to be fine, then you don't need to add too much braid as you go along, and you don't need to pick up too much hair to add as you go along. But I did them a little bit bigger, and so I added hair, a little bit more hair as I go along. So I'm just combing the hair out there. Guys, I barely have any baby hair, so I really don't know what I was doing. No matter how much hair I take out when I'm trying to do my baby hair with these natural braiding hairstyles, they never really look like how I want them to look. But okay, I'm fine with that. That's how my hair is. Alright, so I'm basically just combing the hair out and I'm going to start the braiding process. I did these braids long. I had them at my butt. That's how long they were, and I didn't do them any longer because I have work. Alright, so after I braid the hair, I even them up with a razor, and then I hot water the ends, add some mousse, and that is it, guys. uh you will see at the end of the video. I try to zoom up here so you can see better what I was doing, but that's basically all that I did, guys. I hope that you do enjoy this video, or enjoyed this video. If you were not able to follow everything that I was saying, I have about 2 other videos on knotless braids, so you can also check them out. And yeah, so I that's all I'm doing for the rest of the video, guys. So catch you at the end. Alright, so there they are, guys. And they are butt length.